guys, it's Vlog from Barbara's Revenge. In this Victoria channel, Victoria's supposed to be here, but she got sick or something like that. So now, I'm gonna make slime for her. Comment down below, what is your favorite type of slime? And if like it's one of our favorites, we will. If like everybody votes for a good slime like puffy or cloud or rainbow slime, one of those, you have to choose one of those. If we keep on getting, because in the next video we'll make that slime. If y'all vote for it. Hashtag Victoria's right, and then click the notifications once you subscribe, and in the comments write hashtag Victoria's Club. Now let's get started. Guys, come on.
By the way, he's making puffy slime. That's enough. That's enough. Afterwards, add the paint, okay? And add the glitter glass. After you added the activator.
Whoa, seems like we're just
We have blue paint.
This gonna come with the soil. Time to get messy. Hey guys, do you know where I'm headed? Well, I'm heading when my turns are going to China. You might find me there. And I'll be being there because they get to be the places that are. And did you know this is actually a cameraman? Not a camera girl. You know what's up with the girl? His voice is just messed up.
Ready to add in your activator, sir?
Yes.
That's enough. I do it. As you can see, he doesn't know how to make slime. He added all the activator at once. Where did he get the activator?
You don't do the activator. Activation. You talking about you know how to make slime? You spilled some.
Hey guys, we're having some technical difficulties. Robert, our slime is looking amazing, man.
Double tap on the screen to make it. If it has those two bars on the top, double tap on the screen to make it regular.
Alright guys, I'm Victoria. I'm a little bit sick. I'm gonna grate Robert slime real quick, and I'll be back, and I'll give him a 1 out of 10, 1 being the worst, 10 being the best. But we'll be back.
Hey guys, it's Robert, and we're back. Now let's.
I gave his slime a 7 out of 10, actually an 8 out of 10, because it's hokey. It makes those nice poking sounds,
and it isn't sticky.
Yeah, but it's like overactivated a little bit. So he's got his glitters, holographic. What's enough glitter, man? This glitter is not expensive. This glitter is expensive.
How much?
I don't know, man. This is expensive though. Here, let me see.
Nothing's happening here. Close it in.
Hold the camera, Robert.
Okay, I hold the camera.
She is here.
So I'm gonna add some glitter for him. That's glitter.
I said it was just not. I said it was missing.
It's big to y'all, but it isn't big to us.
It's not that much slime.
This slime is glitter. I made some glitter slime for the first time, and forever glittery. Can I see a slime?
Okay, that's your slime. Slime. Stretchy. Let's see if y'all can see the reflection of the glitter. Can y'all? Yeah, y'all can see.
Let's
Make a poop swirl.
okay, I'm gonna make a poop swirl. We're going to teach you how to make a poop swirl.
Where's the other cup?
It's like this.
Where's the other cup? Oh, we put it on top of the shop.
It's falling though. My slimes are good.
So now we're gonna make this slime very original. We go give it a name and put it in some containers. So we'll be back after I get the supplies to put in the containers. Let's see. So we're back and we have the slime separated in the three containers, and a marker as a Sharpie to write out the name of what he wants to call these three different slimes.
I will write them like, I'm going to name them
Smurfs?
No. Smurfs.
Okay. This says Smurf's blood, but it's just a little bit crazy. So put that slime in the container and add on the lid.
Smurf's blood. I want to name this one Yeah, I'm gonna name that.
What is that called?
Uno, dos, say nothing. Because once in Taekwondo, someone said, Hana do say nothing.
Okay, so where's the other slime? Oh, it's right there. Do you want me to write it out? How about you might run out of space.
Wait.
That one is called Do You Know the Way?
Do you know the way? You do not know the way.
So we put it here. Goodbye, baby slime. Goodbye. So we have all three slimes here. One's called Do You Know the Way?
This one's supposed to be at the end. This one's supposed, the next one is uno, dos, say nothing. And Smurf's blood.
So I hope you guys like this video. If you did, smash that like button.
And I'm gonna write my name on the back.
And me, Robert, might see you all next time. Goodbye.